everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Blazer. Guys, this thing is stunning. 3,000 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Love the color combination. It's a silver metallic. It's got an all-custom Paul Atkins aluminum leather interior in it. You can see it's got 20 and 22-inch wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. It's got an LS2 6.0-liter fuel-injected engine in it, 4L60E automatic overdrive trans. Killer truck, man. Pretty paint. Runs and drives excellent. Like I say, 3,000 miles on the build. Truck's out of Alabama, so it's got a good solid Alabama body. Just very cool. 22 and 20-inch Coys wheels. Toyo rubber all the way around it. All custom lighting. It's got all upgraded wiring harness and everything in it. You can see it's got the steel cowl hood. It's got the removable top. It's actually a matte finish, which is kind of cool. Just kind of gives it a little contrast. They've updated the headlights in it. It's got, this is actually a 68 grill. He just liked the 68 grill better than the 71. Love this truck, man. Just super cool. Something very different. These things are so hot, it's not funny. Fun stuff. You pull in these things with the car shows, man, people just go crazy. Pretty paint on it, all new glass. You can see the dash in there is nice. Again, it's got a textured top on it. They put, this is a custom rear glass. Very cool interior. Pretty truck, man. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got a custom stainless fuel tank in it. Truck's nice and clean underneath. Floors are nice. There's a little stone peck there. Killer truck, man. Again, four-wheel disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. You can see it's got stainless Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got traction bars on it. It's got front and rear sway bars. It's got a panhard bar in the rear. Pretty truck. Again, this is a 6.0 liter LS2 all aluminum Edelbrock EFI unit on it. 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. Power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. It's all CPP disc brakes. It's got the ceramic headers on it. It's got the serpentine pulley system in it. Edelbrock polished aluminum intake. It's got a big aluminum radiator in it with the dual electric fans on it. Some mirror electronics are mounted out here. Very cool truck, guys. No wiper arms on it. cool. They got bullet door locks on it. Very cool interior. Love this color combination. All custom interior. Bucket seats, custom console. It's got power windows in it. It's got an Ididit polished tilt column in it with a billet steering wheel. Even the headliner is super cool. Rear seat. It's got all classic instruments. Gauge cluster in it. 3,021 miles on the truck. It's got a JVC custom sound system. That's all vintage air conditioning controlling. That's the other thing I forgot. Vintage air conditioning. There's your plug-in for your computer. Again, stainless Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12 volt, 355 limited slip rear end. CYB. 4-corner shocks. Nice and clean in there. Very, very cool truck, guys. If you're looking for something different, something super cool, I think you'll dig this. Good, yep. Nope, other way. There we go. Very nice truck. Clean underneath. Frame is beautiful on it. Like I say, they got that stainless tank in there. Front and rear sway bars. Just super cool, man. Very cool truck. Seats are nice. I'm 6'2", so I'm tall. You sit down in them nice too, which is gives you a little room in here, which is nice. Dash is nice. I mean, look at the craftsmanship in the interior. Very nicely done. Have Jordy fire it up. A little wear on those mirrors. It might be too cold out, Jordy. It may not turn on. Oh, yeah, we got it on. Did get the AC to kick on. It's freezing out here, so it came on. Good. Gauges are all functional. These are cool the way they light up. Pretty cool. Really neat. Backup lights work. It's got cool marker lights. I tried to show you those in the video. I'm sorry, in the pictures. Blower motor works. I know that works. Yep. Yeah, it thumps too. Watch it because when they come, yep, that's right. Sorry. Radio. The wipers actually do work. We just don't have any arms for them, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Very cool truck, man. Sits good, it's got lowering blocks in the rear, drop spindles in the front. I love that color combination. I think that top is cool. Have a great day, guys.